Today we discuss about the concept of cathode ray tube. It plays a vital role in the every display device like television or any other display devices. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Majorly it is a technology which is implemented in televisions. The image on CRT display is created by firing the electron beam which produces the electron which will use to hit the phosphor coated frame so that the image or video will be displayed to the user. First, let us discuss what are the major components which are available in the CRT. The main components of CRT comprises electron gun. Actually, it consists of elements, primarily a heating filament and a cathode. With the help of this cathode, it produces the ray which will be hitted on the phosphor coated surface. So it produces the narrow beam in the CRT. Then the second component is called control electrode. So it is used to turn the electron beam from top to bottom, similarly left to right as well as from right to left. So it is used to transfer the direction of the beam. The next one is called focusing system. So it is the main concept of focusing the electron into narrow beam so that the beam will be displayed in the particular area of the screen. The next component is called deflection yoke. So it is used to control the direction of the electron beam. It creates an electromagnetic field. So with the help of this electromagnetic field, the electron gun will traverse from the electron signals will be traversed from the electron gun to the phosphor coated frame. Then the next component is called phosphor coated screen. So inside the front surface of every CRT monitor, which contains phosphorus, so that the electron beam will hit on them, the phosphor coated frame will be reflected the image to the user, image or video to the user. So these are the main components as well as functions of the CRT monitor. Then the color CRT monitor is also available. The main difference between the first traditional CRT monitor is it produces only black and white colors, so that it's a traditional old model CRT, so it has only two colors, whereas in this color CRT monitor it can able to produce three colors, that is the three major colors called red, green and blue. So by applying these three colors, we can get the different colors with the different combinations of these three colors. So this is the main functionality of the color CRT monitors. So this is the electron gun of the color CRT monitor. So in this type of color CRT monitor, it has three electron guns called, one is for red, another one is for green, and then third one is for blue. Whereas in the traditional type, it has only one electron gun which can able to produce only black or white color electron beam. Whereas in this color CRT monitor, the electron gun of red color can able to produce only red color beam as well as the red color image or video. Similarly, the green color electron gun can able to produce green color beam as well as the green color images or videos. Similarly, blue electron gun can also perform the same concepts. So in this type, it has 3 different guns, so that the different color combinations can be performed by applying these 3 guns. So these are the major components of the electron gun. The next one is called display categories. Flat panel display, this is the major category of the display, whereas this flat panel display can be divided into 2 categories called LED and LCD. So these are the 2 major categories. Nowadays we are using the categories of televisions. LED defines light emitting diode. So in this type of televisions, we have various kinds of smaller kind of diodes which will help us to glow the images on the screen. And then next one is called liquid crystal display. So it is a kind of crystal that is a filament like liquid, so which is coated on the screen so that the color will be reflected on the screen. This is the second kind of display called liquid crystal display. Thank you.